In today's video, we will learn how to create character introduction in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's jump into the timeline. Here is the wedding video footage and I will select at this point. I'll need a screenshot in this position. Click camera icon and save JPEG format. Then open Photoshop software and drag it into the screenshot picture. I will drag this picture here. Select background layer and go to select option. Then select subject. Press Ctrl+J on this keyboard to duplicate the layer. Then disable the layer, select background layer and again select the subject. Then go to the edit option and choose Control Hour field. Then hit the apply and OK button. Then disable the layer and select background layer. Press Ctrl+D to remove the selecting part. Then move to the colon stamp tool and remove this stroke part. Press Alt to choose a point and draw it. Now it looks better than before. Save it in this 2 layer. Then move to the Premiere Pro software. Then import these 2 pictures. Then I will drag in this 2 layer into the timeline. First I will drag background layer. Then second I will drag subject layer. Then select background layer and go to the effect panel and search white and black. Drag this effect into the background layer. Then again I will search camera blur effect. And drag this effect into the background layer and go to the effect control panels. Here you can see 2 effects. I will decrease the % blur. Then increase the scale value 120%. Then turn on the stopwatch icon. Move few frames forward and reset the scale value. If I play the video, you will see zoom out effect. Now I will apply zoom in effect in the subject layer. Select subject layer and go to the effect control panels. Then turn on the stopwatch icon on the scale. Then increase the scale value. And then select keyframe and move in of the video. Then I will apply ease in ease out effect. Turn on the curve value and close it the curve line. Now if I play the video, you will see the smooth zoom in effect. Now I will create some text here. Move it the subject layer above and go to the text option. In this time I will write waiting here and change the font style. I will increase the font size and fix the position. I will enlarge the W word, select all the text and choose the gradient color. I'll choose red color here. And hit the OK button. Move with the text layer on the middle. And again I will fix this position. Then I will write another text here. In this time I will write celebrate. Change the font style and color. Now fix the position. Move with the subject layer above. Then place the celebrate layer. Now if I play the video, you will see the effect. Now I will select waiting text, then apply default transaction. Then select eraser tool and cut it the main video footage and move it the end of this layer. To make it look better, I will put overlay video photos here. So I'll bring this layer up and put it the overlay video layer in this place. Now select the overlay video layer and go to the effect control panels. Then change the blending mode to screen. Then cut it the external layer. Now if I play the video, you will see the entire effect. To learn more interesting editing related video like this, subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so that our next video reach out.